Hi friends, it's Julia. Thanks for stopping by my channel for Christmas in July. This is day number 4. This is going to be a really quick video. I lost some of the footage, so sorry about that, guys. But you can see I pulled in some papers that I had previously embossed, pulled in a couple of pocket page cards, used a couple of border strips that I had punched out from some scraps that I had included in this mini kit, and pulled together my um, cardstock and pattern paper from the collection that I had, the mini kit that I had created. So I think what I do is I show you how I cut down one section. I'm just using cardstock from my generic stash to cut down the card fronts and then to back some of the other embellishments, the other pieces I should say. This is one of those kits that, one of the mini kits that I put together for Christmas in July. I put together a total of 6 kits altogether, and this is the very first one that I've cut into. I've left a link down below to show you the original kits as they were, as well as the generic supplies that I pulled in. Here we go. You can see I lost all that footage in between, and so the cards are put together and they're already glued down. The embellishments are added. Everything is done on those, and then I show you I had these previous card bases stamped out for other cards that I ended up not using in that horizontal format, that they were in the vertical format. So I just set these two aside, and now I'm using them to for these card fronts that I just created. And you can see these are simple and basic cards. There's nothing fussy. There's nothing fancy. It's just using bits and pieces from my stash to create Christmas cards. My goal for this year is to create 40 to 50 or 50 to 60 cards for the entire year to mail out in December. So that's it. As I finish up here, guys, I just want to say thanks for popping in. Thanks for watching my video. And I hope that I have inspired you to get into your stash and to create something with it. I mean, we bought it to use it. So I hope this inspires you to use yours. Anyway, I guess I will see you tomorrow. Remember, it's Christmas in July. Every day of this month, I plan to post videos. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.